terrible. It's just my foot, it's good. Hello, and welcome to another Struggle Bus with Celia. Today, I am going to be creating a two-part video because I have so much cilantro that needs to be used. Don't want to generate food waste. I will link down below. I'm not being paid, or they don't know I exist, but it's a great way to support local businesses, and it's also a great way to buy super good quality produce and meats and dairy stuff at a reasonable price. Just be careful because large quantities. So I'm going to be making, in this video, a cilantro pesto, and in the next video, I will be making cilantro chimichurri. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you know whenever I've posted a video. The recipe I'm using calls for a bunch of fresh cilantro. And by that, I'm assuming they mean like you buy them in bunches, not a bunch, because this is a bunch of cilantro, but I think that proportion-wise, I don't know what the grammar is, but this is way too much, and I have other things to do with it. So I'm gonna start out by taking out what I think is the amount of a bunch and rinsing it off. So I've just rinsed these. I'm going to be removing the very tippy bottoms. So yeah, am I forgetting anything? Oh, this is gonna go straight into the food processor. I am also going to be adding at this point the nuts, which are these walnuts. So you will see me measuring those out and putting them directly in with the cilantro, and I will check back in when it is time for the next step. I don't remember what I said, but I think what I said was I put these things in there, and I have made a lot of basil pesto, and for that you kind of go in more stages. Something I don't understand is it calls for minced garlic, even though you're putting it into a food processor, which is going to do a better job of mincing than a human ever possibly could. But I will have to be mincing this garlic, and I will also be adding white wine vinegar. Oh wait, no, I don't have white wine vinegar, so I'm adding red wine vinegar. I've never had cilantro pesto, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. I'm also adding cayenne, and that's all I'll be adding in this next step. But because you're supposed to like pulse and then add these things, I'm just gonna leave the walnuts and cilantro chilling in here until I'm ready with everything to move to the next thing. So next time I check in, I will be preparing for the final step, I think. I must correct myself. I thought I was gonna be using red wine vinegar. I didn't realize that we had rice vinegar, so I will be using this, and I'll be back. With each successive garlic, I become more reckless in my execution. My ear itches. Can you itch my ear? Can you scratch my ear for me? You don't I can cut you out. I just need my ear scratched. There.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Good?
Yeah. moving on to the final step, which is emulsifying this with this olive oil. All right, let's go. Is this not meant to make pestos? I'm gonna scrape the sides a little bit. I've never had this happen with the pesto before, so it very well could be that I did not add enough cilantro. I think I know it's super late to the game, but I think I'm just gonna add a touch more cilantro. This is why it's Struggle Bus with Celia. This is the garlic we use. I don't get it right the first time, ever. This, I'm confident I messed up. Terrible. It's just my foot, it's good. Yeah, this definitely just needed more cilantro from the get-go because I didn't buy it in a bunch, so I didn't know how much I needed. Went too conservative. Hopefully I got it right this time. All right, scrape it down so that it stops just being oil pumping up. But this is definitely more what it's supposed to look like. Ooh, this is looking good. It's messy. Hold on, let me taste it. I think I'm good on olive oil, actually. I think that I would add more salt. That was good.
Solid.
That's good. Oh, that's not on me, is it? Just tell me when it's...
Yeah, go.
Okay, it's roommate approved, which means this is what we're gonna be eating for dinner tonight. I didn't use as much of the oil as it called for. I've made pesto before and I don't think we need any more because I did not add enough cilantro to begin with. I will link or just write out the recipe that I used. This is really delicious. Stay tuned for a part 2, which is going, oh, cute. Stay tuned for a part 2, which is going to be me making a cilantro chimichurri. Thank you for joining me. If you like this, please let me know by liking the video, and I would very much appreciate it if you're interested. If you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I actually post. Yeah, thank you so much for watching to this point, if you have watched to this point, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye. My camera is charging, so I'm doing this different quality, but this is delicious. There's definitely a kick to it with the cayenne, but it still tastes very fresh with the cilantro. Would definitely recommend. Probably would use more cilantro and therefore use all of the olive oil, but I'm happy with it. It's delicious. Enjoy.